Alright, so I am replacing these stock handlebars on the Espin Sport with something new. Something a little bit higher. It's going to sit a little bit higher. I bought a 90-degree adjustable bike stem. So it's going to actually sit more like this on the bike. Get a better view of that. And these are kind of a little more raised handlebars than these flatter ones. I want a little more uplift on the reach. So we're going to swap these out and see how it feels. Should be a pretty easy job. The grips are all lock and grip, so you just unscrew those, unscrew this, unscrew the brake levers, 1, 2, 3, and swap them back on, and of course the display as well. Here's what the bike looks like before. You can see it's pretty, pretty flat handlebars. Here's a look at the new set. I think it looks much better at that angle. Here's a look at the new bars from the seating position, much higher now. I'm definitely much more upright when I'm reaching over. There's your shifters, left-hand thumb throttle, and the control panel.